y'all, it's Bella. So I have a shopping problem, spending problem, whatever you want to call it, but I'm just going to show you guys the Black Friday sales that I took advantage of. So I have some skincare, some clothes, and some like home stuff. So I'm going to start with the skincare. So Paula'S Choice is where I'm starting to like get more of my skincare. I really like their line. So I think they were having like a 20% off, 25% off or something like that, plus free shipping. So of course, I had to, So the first thing I got was this Omega Plus Complex Moisturizer. So I got this in a small size and it's super thick. And I was like, yes, gotta get a big one. Well, I haven't even opened this yet. I'm not even sure how big the big one is. Oh yeah, that one. The other one was like a tiny tube. So I got that. And then I got this Enriched Calming Toner with vitamin E and primrose. So if y'all know my skin, I tried that other product I won't mention right now, but I tried it, my skin went crazy, and I just really wanted something that I could like calm my skin because I try a lot of different skincare these days, and yeah. So I got that, and then I also picked up this 10% azelaic acid booster with licorice and salicylic acid. So it's very small, but I just wanted to get something small, try it out for my dark marks. But I tried it as the azelaic acid before from The Ordinary, and it was not a good experience. So that's why I got such a small one. So the next thing, I got some sunglasses from Nordstrom Rack. Y'all, they sent this little package of sunglasses. Try not to show my address. In this big old box. Like, what? We're trying to save the environment, Nordstrom Rack. Okay? I need you to do a little bit better. But these, I think they were like $25, and then I got them when they were doing like a free shipping. So that's what I took advantage of here. So it looks like it comes with a carrying case or something. So ooh, these about to be fly. I'm excited. I had these like saved in my bookmarks for a while. Ooh. So I was just looking for a good pair of like Paula'S sunglasses. Okay, hold on. Oh, I gotta cut that off. Ooh, so they're from Key, Australia. Ooh, honey. What? You said what? Y'all, I might cut this off just so I go. Oh yeah, $25? Come on. Okay, let me open this and see what it is. It really feels like a okay, it's type of bag. Ooh, okay, it's like one of those I don't know what you call it, but like a case. And you just slide them in. Oh, this is lit. This, I mean, it almost feels like leather. I know it's not real leather. I don't know. Okay, all right, but this is, yes, I support. So, and then the next thing I got was some clothes. So the first thing, so from Pretty Little Thing, they were having a either 10 or 15% off. So I checked every day, and like every day, y'all know Pretty Little Thing, every day the sale was different. So this, I think it's originally like $28, but it was already marked down to $18, and then I stacked on like the 10 or 15% or whatever, and then I think I still had to pay for shipping, so it's like $5.99. And then sometimes certain banks will charge like an international fee, but I used a card that didn't charge international fees. But no, I used PayPal. Something. Some kind of way I finessed and I didn't pay the international fee. That's all I'm trying to say. So anyway, it's this cream turtleneck and it's like ribbed, and I really like the feel of it. It's not like, it doesn't feel like itchy. Here's the turtleneck. I really like it. The sleeves aren't too bad as far as length goes. One thing I will say, it is a little like see-through, like just a little bit, but I mean, you can't see my bra, but these I can just like tuck them to the back. It won't be a big deal. And then from H&M, I got just 2 pairs of leggings. So these jersey leggings, try not to show my address, y'all. So these jersey leggings, I just needed some more like black leggings, you know, the uniform. So they're originally, I think they're originally like $10, but they were on sale for $5. And then if you're a student, if you didn't know, if you're a student, you get 10% off at H&M. So of course I stacked that on there, plus free shipping. So I got 2 pairs of leggings for like $9, okay? It's so dark, I can't see the leggings. Okay, so just, you know, your basic leggings, you know what I'm saying, like uniform, like I said. Yeah, so I got 2 of those. So just your basic, you know, uniform leggings. They're really soft though. I got a size large and I'm short, so they are a little long, but it's not a big deal. Like, they're not super high up on my waist, which Forever 21 stuff would be like under my boobs, you know. But yeah, it's just a basic uniform. The next thing I got, so from Zappos, I stalked these boots for months, maybe not months, maybe just a couple weeks, because I knew the price was going to go down for Black Friday. So I just waited, and then they went down. I think they're originally like $79, and then they went down to $60 for Black Friday. So of course I copped. So they are these black Columbia boots. They're like, let me see, I don't know to call them, snow boots or whatever, but they have this fur on the inside, and this particular fur doesn't go all the way down, but it is some type of like fleecy type of fabric all the way down to the bottom of it. And then they are also waterproof. So let's see if I can show y'all. Like down here, it's like connected, so it doesn't come apart. Like, oh, if it's hard to see, but it's like sewn together down here, whereas up here it's like it'll separate. So I guess this helps make it waterproof. But I'm about to be stepping in these, okay? Like, I really like these. Anyway, yeah, it's really nice. I got the perfect size. I got a 7.5. I'm a normal like 7.5 in shoes and things, and it does say that it's insulated up to what? Okay. I guess it'll keep you warm up to negative 25 degrees. So if you guys are looking for that, these might be the ones. But nonetheless, they're really comfortable, and I'm satisfied for what I need them for. So yeah, $60 for some Columbia boots. I thought that was a deal. I thought it was a steal. So that's what it was. And then, is that all? Yeah. So, and then the home stuff. So I just picked this up from Walmart. It was like a little Starbucks gift set. And it has coffee in it, some Pike Place rolls, some little biscuits or cookies, pure butter shortbread cookies, and then I really just bought it for the mug. It was $8.98. I had a mug. I love these big mugs. This is 18 fluid ounces. So I had a big mug like this, a Starbucks gift set mug, and I loved it because it was so big. I could fill it up with coffee, and it broke. I dropped it and I was washing dishes, and the entire handle came off. So I still use it, but it don't have a handle. So I really just bought the set for myself. And it was $8.98 from Walmart. I don't know if I said that, but I just bought it for the mug, y'all. Isn't it cute? Yeah. That's that. And then, you know, only because I want more mugs than what can fit in my cabinet, I bought another mug. So I did end up going to Target Thanksgiving night, but I think these are still on the website for $5. So it says, don't get your tinsel in a tangle. Just a little cute little Christmas mug. I just thought it was nice, and it is another big mug. They have a sticker covering the ounces, but I think it's like 16 ounces maybe. So I got that. And I also went to I think Saturday I went to JCPenney, and I just picked up some pink washcloths, and they were $2.99. They are originally $10, but they were on sale for $2.99, and I think they're still on sale for $2.99. Even I'm filming this video in the first week of December, maybe second week. Where are we? Maybe second week. And yeah, I had some of these from Target, and they just got real rough. I don't know if I washed my washcloths too much, but I got 4 of these. So, and they kind of off from my other Target, but you know, whatever. I just needed more, and they're really soft. So $2.99, it's lit. So, and then the last thing from Bath and Body Works White Barn. So this was before Candle Day, and I had my list way before Candle Day, y'all. And I wanted to make sure I got all my candles. So of course I was stalking online, and I knew that one I wanted, Cherry Frost, was out of stock, and it didn't look like they were gonna restock it. So I just went in the store while they were still on sale for like $12.95, and I bought some. So, cause I was like, I'm not taking the chance. That's like one of the main ones. Anyway, so going in store, you know, you can use your coupons. So I bought this hand cream as a free, you know how you got the coupon for like the free body care or whatever. Bright Lemon Snowdrop. Oh, smells so good. It smells like a lemon square. Like, and they have this one. They didn't have the shower. They didn't have the lotion in the store, but they have the hand cream, you know, same thing, whatever. But they also have the lotion online and the shower gel, and I think they have a bath soak. But there's no candle. I wish there was a candle in this scent. But anyway, so I got 2 Cherry Frost candles. They do have the holiday top. Oh, it smells so good. It's like, ooh, it's like cherry lavender-ish, and it's like rich. Like, I smelled this in the store, and I was like, gotta have this. Because I do like the Black Cherry Merlot, and this is just kind of like a holiday version of the Black Cherry Merlot. So that is it. I don't think I went too crazy. I think I've gotten all my packages. I guess I have to check. Yes, that's when you know you have a problem, when you forget what you ordered and if you have everything. But yeah, so if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me some comments, go and check out my other videos. But until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.